Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have TRIBIT FlyBuds C2 wireless Bluetooth earbuds with the model number BTH96 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or the left earbud is not working, or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear, a factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. If you cannot get them fixed and you need a new set of earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a good set of earbuds at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is just if for whatever reason you want to delete all of the pairing history off of them so that you can get a fresh start with these earbuds like they're just coming out of the box new. It's really easy. On these ones, we're going to do them with them out of the box and we're going to turn the earbuds off. Once we do that, we're just going to come and press and hold the back buttons on both earbuds at the same time for 10 seconds. So after about 6 seconds, the earbuds will turn on and the white light will start flashing, and we're just going to keep holding until that white light turns solid white. Once the white light turns solid white, we're just going to double touch both earbuds at the same time within 5 seconds of it becoming solid. So once it turns solid, then we're going to go tap, tap, and release. And that should put it into the reset state. And if it worked properly, the white lights on the earbuds will flash quickly, indicating the reset has taken place. If that's all been done properly, we can go ahead and then set these earbuds up as a brand new set of earbuds.